Hi guys, today is week 5 of my second round of Coolsculpting. I have done the front part of my tummy on either side of my belly button. I've done the back sides of my love handles. I've done the back sides of my bra bulge. I did the top part of my tummy above my belly button and the lower part of my tummy below my belly button. So today I'm going to do the front sides of my love handles. But before I do, I'm Joan Johnson and this is Beauty Over 50 on a Budget, where I do body sculpting, body contouring, and sprinkle in a little bit of anti-aging and skincare. If this has sparked your interest, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post new videos every week. So last week I did the top part of my tummy and the lower part of my tummy. And I'll be really honest with you guys, it hurt. This has probably been the most painful part of Coolsculpting I've done so far. The top part of my tummy, when I put the Coolsculpting head right there, I was like, oh my gosh, it felt like just a horse bite that was just like bearing down on my stomach. It's still really tender and really swollen. And you can see that when I do a 360, and I'm going to show you that in a minute, what my 5-week progress looks like. And you can see how the bulge kind of sticks out on the top part of my tummy. And it's still really tender and really sore, and I'm still getting random shooting pain in that area. Not in the lower part. The lower part hasn't bothered me at all. But this top part is still really tender and really sore. So I started using this sweat belt. It kind of gives it some support. And so I've been wearing this a few hours a day, and that really helps kind of give it some support and to where it's not so tender. So if you guys are having a lot of pain in your torso after doing Coolsculpting, then you might want to try to put one of these on. This is the back side. Just want to kind of show you guys my progress. So you can see right here, I'm still really swollen. I'm still a little bit swollen right through here, but up here is still really swollen. So just want to kind of give you guys a 5-week update on what my Coolsculpting looks like. As you guys know, if you watched my last week video, you know that I started the keto diet. I've been on it for a full week now. So I'm just going to share with you a little bit of the items that have been helping me this week get through the keto flu and try and keep me on track. I was on prednisone for 2 years and developed a huge sweet tooth. So when I started this keto diet, I was really struggling with cravings. And so I did some research because I like to do research, and I came up with this psyllium cinnamon. So cinnamon helps level out your blood sugar levels. And so I guess when you're having a sugar craving, like I was having, cinnamon helps to level it out. And so this really helped me with my sugar cravings. Every time I would feel like I was getting a craving, I would take one of these tablets and drink a big glass, about 8 ounces of water. And within a little while, I noticed that the craving was going away. Then I started the intermittent fasting this week as well, because I did a whole week of keto to just get my body regulated to keto. And I went through the keto flu. I felt terrible. So once I got through my week, I wanted to go ahead and start the intermittent fasting to help with my keto. So I wanted to work out, do a fasted workout, but I was really tired. And so I found this product, which is really interesting to me. You can take this product and it won't break your fast. And I couldn't believe how much energy that it gave me. It has a lot of vitamin B in it. And I just was able to really do a really hard workout by drinking that drink. I just mixed it up in one of my shakers with some water, and I just drank it on my way to the gym, and I felt really good afterwards. And then I noticed that I started feeling muscle cramps right after I would do my workouts. So I knew from working in the grocery industry that I needed to take some electrolytes. So I've been taking this for years. I took this when I worked at Frito-Lay and I would get muscle cramps. So I started taking this again, and this really helped. So what I would do with this is every time I would feel a muscle cramp coming on, I would take 2 of these, and within a 45 minutes or so, my muscle cramps would go away. Then I just started taking a multivitamin, and then I started drinking this at night. This is magnesium, and this helps to relax your muscles. So I started taking some of this at night too, and this really helped as well. I also noticed that I would do these test strips, and I would always be right in here in the light in the small area right here. But after I drank these ketones, then I noticed I would be over here in the darker area pink. So I just thought that was really interesting too. And I'm going to leave a link to everything that I'm talking about in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, you can try it. Today I'm going to be doing Coolsculpting on the front part of my love handles, because I did the back part of my love handles about 4 weeks ago. I'm going to be using 2 antifreeze membranes per area, so it'll be a total of 4 antifreeze membranes. I'm going to massage the area for 5 minutes. This is the massager tip that I like to use. This is the massager that I use. I like to use this because it's cordless and easy to handle. I'm going to do each of my Coolsculpting treatments for 60 minutes, and I'm going to set my temperature at a minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm going to start my treatment. Today I'm going to do right here on the front part of my love handle. I like to set my machine for 60 minutes. That's what I like to do my treatments for. And I set the temperature at a minus 10 degrees. Do this side now, right here. I just want you guys to know that if you do Coolsculpting, you're going to get results. If you do ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening, you're going to get results. If you do diet and exercise, you're going to get results. But if you do a combination of all of them, you're going to get great results. And that's what I'm striving for, is great results. I want to get my body back to the shape I was in. I'm 55 years old, so I know if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Everything I use in my videos has links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.